Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel IT Planet. If this video is helpful to you, then don't forget to hit like button and subscribe the channel IT Planet. Here on this channel, you will get exercise solutions of your class, of your computer book. So don't forget to subscribe the channel. Today in this video, we are going to see the exercise solution of class 6th chapter number 4, that is Excel functions and charts. In that first question, take the correct answer. Number 1. Formula is a sequence of values, cell reference, and operators to do calculation. So answer is formula. A range name must start with a letter. Arguments are specific values used in particular order to perform calculations in functions. Plot area is the central area within the chart area where actual chart is plotted. Text at the top of the chart is called chart title. And last 6 number, pie chart is the shape of round pie cut into pieces or slices. Let's see second question, that is true or false. In that first, operators specify operators specify the type of calculation we want to perform, and this statement is true statement. Formula bar shows the formula we are using in active cell, and this is true statement. A formula is a ready-made operation to perform a calculation, and this is false statement. Number 4. Data series is a caption which identifies the category of axis, and this statement is false. The horizontal and vertical lines on the plot area are grid lines, and this is true statement. Number 6. Area chart shows the correlation between two value sets, and this is false statement. Let's see, fill in the blanks. In that first, constants and formulas are two ways of entering data in Excel. Number 2, Excel recognizes any data as a formula when it begins with an equal to sign. Parenthesis is used to change the order in which Excel performs calculation. Number 4. A formula using the absolute cell reference keeps the cell reference constant. Charts are made up of a variety of elements, also called data objects. Number 6. Sparklines are tiny, word-sized charts that can appear in a cell. So these are the answers for fill in the blanks. Let's see next question. Yes, differentiate between the following: formula and function. So formula is a sequence of values, cell references, names of functions or operators that produces a new value from existing value. And the function is a built-in formula that we can use to perform a calculation on the data in our worksheet. It can perform a series of operations on a specified range of values. Then absolute referencing and relative referencing. Absolute referencing, a formula using the absolute cell reference, instructs Excel to keep the cell reference constant in the formula as it copies it to the destination area. Then next, relative referencing. Relative referencing, a formula using the relative cell reference, instructs Excel to adjust the cell reference as it copies it to the destination area. So this is the difference between absolute referencing and relative referencing. Next question is answer in 1-2 sentences. In that first question, what are operators? An operator specifies the type of calculation we want to perform. The various types of operators are arithmetic operators, comparison operators, reference operators, and logical operators. And next question number 2. Name any four functions of Excel. Commonly used functions in Excel are average, count, max, and sum. Next question number 3. What do you understand by cell reference? Every cell in a worksheet has a unique address called cell reference, which is identified by a specific column, letter, and row number of that cell. Number 4. What are sparklines in a chart? In Excel, sparklines are tiny word-size charts that can appear in a cell. It is very easy to create and understand sparklines. So friends, once again I am requesting you all to subscribe the channel. Here on this channel you will learn the different computer tricks also, and as well as you are getting the exercise solutions also. So next question number F, that is answer briefly in that first number question. Explain order of calculation in Excel. The order in which Excel performs operations in formulas is called order of calculation. We can use parentheses to change the order in which Excel performs calculations. Excel performs the calculation inside the parentheses first. These brackets are called parentheses. Write the steps to edit a formula. Follow the steps to edit the formula. First, double click on the cell containing the formula to be changed. Press the arrow key to move the insertion point to where characters need to be removed or added. And number C, to add data where the insertion point flashes on the screen, type the data. To delete the data where insertion point flashes, use backspace or delete key. And next question is, explain the structure of a function. Function in Excel always begins with an equal to sign followed by the function name. Function name is followed by opening parenthesis, then arguments separated by comma or colon, and then closing parenthesis. This is the structure of a function. We can write here example also. Example, let me type the example, is equal to sum. Is equal to sum, in bracket you can write cell reference, suppose A2 to A7. So this is the example. You can type A capital and this A also, A capital. So this is the function. This is the structure of function, right? This is sum is the name of function and these are arguments. What is chart? Write its advantages in Excel. Charts are graphical representations of the data. Excel offers a wide selection of charts which help us to display the data in pictorial way. And the advantages of Excel are, first advantage is they display a lot of information in an easy to understand format. And B, data and information can be presented in an attractive manner with the help of a chart. And C, a chart is more impressive and informative as compared to a simple data statement. And the last question, that is application based question. Dishti's father wants to buy a house for rupees 25, I think it's 25 lakh. He wants to get a loan of 15000 from a bank and wishes to pay 70,000 as monthly installment to clear the loan. If the bank charges 9% as the rate of interest, in how many months will Drishti's father clear the loan amount?